Quail log, September 26, 2023. So I think I have most of them in the shot right now. I just gave them, cleaned out their water containers and added more water, and I gave all of them new food. So you can see everyone is eating. I think I have a couple up front up here, but overall they seem to be doing good. As I said, I'm not seeing any that are really spay leg or having any issues with spay leg, so I think I'm doing good there. Temperature down here has been between 95 and 100 all day, so that is definitely where I wanted it at. Try to get some better pictures of these guys. See if later on I can, on the bigger monitor, can spot any issues. But overall, everyone seems to be doing good. They're eating and drinking just fine, and they seem to be having a good time in there. Tomorrow I'll have to pull out the trays and clean them, because they're starting to definitely get caked up and need to be cleaned. I'll do a quick view of the birds up here. I got 3 eggs tonight after 5 eggs yesterday, so they're still producing fairly well. And I'll probably keep them through the winter. Check to make sure nothing came out while I was feeding the other birds. So they seem everyone's doing well, and that's where I'm at for tonight. One last look at how the babies are doing, and then I will say good night.